All right, these are digestive system notes that go into our HBS course file. Functions of the digestive system is to break down food into nutrients that the body can use, and absorb those nutrients, then remove solid waste. So breakdown, absorption, and removal of solid waste are the functions of the digestive system. The GI tract is also known as the alimentary canal. The GI tract is the gastrointestinal tract. It's a long tube/pathway of the digestive system along with accessory organs. Types of digestion are mechanical digestion and chemical digestion. Mechanical digestion physically breaks down food. So this is when we are tearing, crushing, churning, and physically altering that food. Chemical digestion is a chemical change that breaks bonds and changes substances into other substances. Chemical digestion, chemical change that breaks bonds and changes substances into other substances. Endoscopy is a procedure to look inside of your body using a camera in a long, flexible tube. Endoscopy, procedure to look inside the body via a camera in a long, flexible tube. So you can have an upper endoscopy or a colonoscopy. That's going to be endoscopy of the lower part of the body, your large intestine. Biopsy, we have talked about biopsies before. Biopsy is a sample of tissue used to examine for disease. So there can be a needle biopsy, or you could scrape it with a scalpel, but you want to get a sample of the tissue. Gut microbiome. This is the community of microorganisms that live within the digestive tract. Gut microbiome, community of microorganisms that live within the digestive tract. Probiotics. Probiotics are live microorganisms that help to restore or improve the gut microbiome. Probiotics are live microorganisms that help to restore or improve the gut microbiome. An ostomy is a surgery to reroute bodily waste. There's a malfunction in the urinary or digestive system due to disease, injury, or birth defects. Ostomy is a surgery to reroute bodily waste due to a malfunction in the urinary or digestive system due to disease, injury, or birth defects. I've also talked about BMI. BMI is body mass index. This is a numeric measurement comparing weight to height to determine obesity. Body mass index is BMI, is a numeric measurement comparing weight to height to determine obesity. So this is a tool for doctors, but it's not accurate. So not accurate, but a tool for doctors. So in order to find BMI, we need our weight in kilograms divided by your height in meters. Top number divided by bottom number. Weight in kilograms divided by height in meters. All right, I believe all of this next information is about macromolecules. So we are going to simplify the stuff that we talked about in AP Bio and kind of go over the key important parts. So carbohydrates are an important macromolecule. They help to provide energy, they can store energy, and they can be used for structural materials. So glucose provides energy, glycogen is energy storage, sucrose is another type of carbohydrate. So they provide energy, store energy, and they can be used for structural materials. Proteins are another classification of macromolecules. Proteins drive cellular reactions. They can be used as defense molecules, building structure, transport molecules. Proteins have a lot of different jobs. So when we say drive cellular reactions, that's like enzymes, and catalysts are proteins, enzymes are proteins. Defense molecules, so we're talking about our immune system, so things like antibodies are proteins. Building structures, transport proteins that are embedded in cell membranes, those are protein structures. Oops, and I had an example, polypeptides, enzymes, those are examples of proteins. Lipids. Lipids function are energy storage. They're also useful for structuring structural materials, cell signaling, and protection/insulation. So lipids, energy storage, structural materials, useful in cell signaling, and protection/insulation. So examples of lipids are phospholipids, hormones, and saturated fats. And then the last classification, nucleic acids. Their job is to store and transmit heredity information. Examples of nucleic acids are DNA and RNA.